Hi loves, and welcome to my channel. And in tonight's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious bowl of broccoli and cheese soup. You guys, when I tell you it was so amazing, no, the recipe is not mine. However, it was my first time making it, and if you want to see how I made it, then stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and dice a half of a yellow onion. I will be using my Martha Stewart Dutch oven, and I'm going to go ahead and set my temperature to medium high heat. To the pot, I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm just going to saute my butter, garlic, and onions together until they get nice and brown. The recipe calls for 2 strips of bacon, and I'm going to be honest, the bacon gave it a really nice flavor. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my bacon to my already sauteed onion and garlic mixture, you guys. And once your pan looks like this, then you can go ahead and you can add in a half a cup of all-purpose flour, and this is going to be your thickening agent. So you're just going to go ahead and mix everything well together. Don't worry about it clumping or lumping up, because once you add in your liquid, that's going to go ahead and dissolve. I'm going to add in 16 ounces of chicken broth, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything up well together. And you're going to continue to stir until your roux thickens up just like this. Now we're going to go in and we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream, and I use 32 ounces of heavy whipping cream, you guys. Now you're just going to go ahead and stir and make sure everything is mixed well together. Now to my pot, I'm going to go ahead and add in my seasonings. I do not measure, so if I can say, this is about a tablespoon of all of the seasonings that you see here on the screen. Go ahead and make sure all of your seasonings and everything is mixed well together. Once everything is mixed well together, I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of shredded carrots. And it's very important that you continue to stir while cooking this soup. Now, you cannot have broccoli and cheddar soup without adding in broccoli, and I absolutely love broccoli. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 3 cups of steamed broccoli to my pot. You guys, as I'm here editing this video, I can't believe I made this from scratch all by myself the very first time. Doesn't this look delicious? So now we're just going to go ahead and mix everything up very well together. And we're actually going to go ahead and turn down our heat to medium low. And we're going to allow this to thicken up and continue to cook covered for 15 minutes. And you don't have to worry about the broccoli or anything getting mushy. It is amazing. After 15 minutes, your soup should look something like this. Look at it, you guys. Can you say Panera who? Your girl did that. I'm so proud of myself. To my pot, I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a bag of sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can go ahead and stir in your cheese very well. Go ahead and turn your heat down to simmer and cover for 5 minutes. Who doesn't love a sandwich with soup, you guys? So my favorite sandwich is an orange cranberry club. So I'm just doing my take on that. And you guys probably are wondering, what is she doing with grape jelly and mayo, you guys? But it did not disappoint. It was so good. You guys, look at this. I did that. I made this. I am so proud of myself. I cannot wait to taste it. My house smells so good. And I made one of my favorite soups, you guys. Now, let's go ahead and plate up. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. The soup and the sandwich taste as good as it looks. And if you decide to give my recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.